Hello kids, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. In previous class, we was discuss about tall and short. We was discuss about tall and short, but now we will discuss about long and short. Chapter 4, long and short. First of all, tell me, in previous class, we were discuss about tall and short, and now this is the same topic, that long and short. No, today we will discuss about long and short. Long means lamba, short means chota. Long means lamba and short means chota. Let's study with an example. What is these? These are ropes. These are rope. This one is long, but this one is short. This one is short and this one is long. That means this is long क्योंकि ये लंबी है and this is short क्योंकि ये छोटी है. Let's welcome back to and go back to our worksheet. This is, what is this? First of all, tell me what is this? Ayan, you tell me what is this? What is this? Very good. This is dolphin and this is fish. Dolphin बड़ी है fish से. Dolphin is big and fish is short. Let's come back to our worksheet and take out your books and start doing with me your worksheet. Color the box blue for long and black for short in each set. Color the box blue for long. जो भी चीज long है, when object is long, we have to color it blue. And when object is short, we have to color black. Now tell me which one is long? This? No. This? Yes. Color fast. Now again tell me which one is long. ये long है कि ये वाला long है? This one? And this one or this one? I hope you all are understand. This is long or this is long? This is short and this is long. This is long, long, long and long. Now we have to color black on short. Start coloring. All of you have done. I hope you all are doing fast. अच्छा, सबने मिल्क पिया था? मैम ने आपको प्रीवियस क्लास में बताया था दैट वी शुड ड्रिंक मिल्क ट्वाइस अ डे. वी शुड ड्रिंक मिल्क ट्वाइस अ डे. इन दिस क्लास we will discuss another thing, that we should brush our teeth twice a day. We should brush our teeth twice a day. And how we brush our teeth? Up and down, all around. Very good. I hope you all are enjoy this session. Happy learning. Keep doing. See you soon. Bye-bye.